Hi there! Today we are going to measure the first input delay, the largest contentful paint, and the cumulative layout shift for Edeka. They are three performance metrics known as core web vitals. This is the website that I mean. And we will start with Lighthouse. We have in this case a good cumulative layout shift of 18 milliseconds. The first contentful paint is not bad. It's 2.5 seconds. But we have a poor largest contentful paint of above 10 seconds. Let's have a look at the performance timeline. Under the timings line, there is LCP, which represents the largest contentful paint. The number here is 878 milliseconds. And in the experience line, there is two red rectangles which represent the layout shifts. The first rectangle is for, let's check for which element. So it's for the bottom of this image. It was shifted from this location or position to this one, and the other shift was for the logo. It was shifted by 19 pixels from this position to this one. So under main now, there is two long tasks. Long tasks are marked with the red corner and take more than 50 milliseconds to be executed by the browser. A long task or long tasks are one of the reasons for a bad first input delay. Our second tool to calculate our web vitals is WebPageTest. So the value, the calculated value will be for this location, Virginia, USA, and for Chrome with 4G as network. We have a good cumulative layout shift, a bad total blocking time, which is associated with first input delay. The total blocking time is above 3 seconds, and the largest contentful paint is more than 6 seconds. Here you can see a comparison with real user monitoring. Our case is here. We are one of the 13% of the users that experience a bad largest contentful paint. The cumulative layout shift is in the green area. We are here one of the 96% of the users. that have a good cumulative layout shift. And here we are in the bed area. So the third way that I am going to show is getting real user data from Chrome user experience. And I'm going to use BigQuery, Google BigQuery, to get this data. I have already prepared my SQL query to get data per date, per device, the LCP, large contentful paint, FID, first input delay, and CLS, cumulative layout shift, for the origin Edeka.de, device, desktop or phone, and for the period starting with the beginning of 2020. So let's run the query. And this is the result. Sorted per date, device, we had 36 lines. So if I would like to get the data or to check the data for specific countries, I can try another query, which is this one. I want the data for Germany and for USA starting from December 2019. And I want to check the data when first contentful paint is less than 1 second and the origin is Edeka, of course. So let's run it. So I have here in both Germany and USA users that are using the 4G and the 3G, and this is the percentage of user having this connection. That's it.